In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a title. So your title can be any size on the screen, and this is how you do it. You come up to the File menu at the top, down to New, and across to Legacy Title. So File, New, Legacy Title. Here you just click OK. You can name it if you want, if you're going to do a lot of titles, and it brings up this window. So this window, you want to resize it as big as you can, so you can see what you're doing. And this basically shows you the video that's underneath your title, and these boxes here show your safe zones for different TV sizes. So it's really important that your title is within that inner box here. Otherwise, when you view it on a computer or a different TV, it might cut it off. So it's always important to have it in that area. So you might see some familiar tools around here. So on the left hand side, you can see text tools and type tools. Type on a path, so you could do squiggly lines and type on the path, and you've got various shape tools. I'm going to actually put my title in like a little rectangle box. So I'm going to draw this rectangle on, and I want my title just to kind of pop in at the side there. Over the right hand side, you can see lots of other things that you can change, but some of them will be obvious. So I want to click on the color, and I'm going to choose a color for my bar. So that has filled in there. The next thing I'm going to do is come across and click on the type tool, and I'm going to type 5 pictures. Okay, and I'm going to resize it and change the color. So over on the right hand side here, you can see that I could change the color. I'm going to go back to white text. I'm going to change the size. So if we look down here, we have got the size. Where's the size? Opacity, shadow, font size. There we go, font size 100%. I'm going to click on that number and just scroll across with my mouse. That allows me to go up and down. And I'm going to go there until it fits in my box. Okay, so I'm going to come up on the left hand side and click on the selection tool, and now move that down into the box. Now, at this point, I'm going to decide to make my blue band a little bit smaller. And I'm going to click off it. Am I happy with it? Yes, might make that a bit bigger. Okay. There we go. So I've made my little title that I want to come up. I'm now going to close this down. You'll notice there's no save button, but what happens when I close it down is it has landed in my project window. So it's as if I've imported it, it's there. Now what you do to get it onto your screen is to drag it over into the channel above your video. So if I pull my playhead across, you can see that when it comes to that block, so if I press play, I'm just going to mute the audio on this actually, you can see that it pops up with live pictures and then goes again. Now with a title, once you've got it in there, when you click on the title, you can stretch it and it will last as long as you want it to, or as short as you want it to. So by changing the size of this, remember you're working in time, you can have your title on for however long you want.